This shirt proves a single gal can take style advice from a lumberjack. Your breakup is final, and you're getting ready to start dating again, but first, you need to makeover. I mean, isn't that the act 2 of every romantic comedy ever made? Now, you just need to enlist some help with your fashion choices. Maybe it's been a while since you had to get dressed for a first date. I have the perfect person to help you. So he is tall, really tall, and he is a true legend. He's an animal lover. In fact, he has a pet ox. He's a little scruffy with a beard and mustache because at heart he is a true outdoorsman. But despite that, you can get some amazing style inspiration from him. Are you excited to meet him? His name is Paul Bunyan. That's right, this lumberjack American legend is going to be your source for style inspiration for your dating life. More particularly, it is his plaid flannel shirt that's going to provide that style inspiration. Who knew a lumberjack could be so fashion forward? This plaid flannel shirt can be your go-to piece because it is comfortable, it has tomboy appeal, and you can even wear it on a date. So while there may be dating experts out there that are going to tell you to put on a push-up bra, get extensions, and only wear 4-inch heels to the grocery store, I'm not one of them. But if you could meet the man of your dreams wearing almost the most comfortable thing on the planet, flannel, why wouldn't you? It's so comfortable, that's what they make pajamas out of. It's the material they use. It is so comforting that it is the fabric of choice to lull you to sleep. Plus, what we all want to have is that effortless style look, that kind of look that says, hey, I'm not even really trying. And the plaid flannel shirt can help you achieve that look, even if you did just spend 2 hours in the mirror to get that effortless, I just woke up like this hair. Secondly, is there anything sexier to a man than the pretty tomboy? The one that can list the starting lineup of the 1989 49ers championship football team, but she could also be a Sports Illustrated cover girl. So even if your TV is tuned to the Puppy Bowl instead of the Super Bowl on Super Bowl Sunday, you can still have that great, pretty tomboy appeal. The plaid flannel shirt can accomplish that for you. So watch him walk past that high maintenance style queen to get to you in your plaid flannel shirt. Now all we have to do is learn how to style it. And so although we are taking style advice from a lumberjack, we don't want to actually be mistaken for an actual lumberjack. So here's some ideas of what to wear on a first date. So on a first date, are you going to meet up for gelato? Are you taking a walk in the park? Well, here's an outfit that you could wear. It's the plaid flannel shirt, a pair of sexy black jeans, some ankle boots, and some very small, simple gold earrings. Like I said, we don't want to be mistaken for an actual lumberjack. So that's what you would wear, and there's how you would wear it. So how you would wear it is like shown in the picture there. You may leave the first couple buttons unbuttoned, and you for sure would roll up the sleeves. And it might be a good idea to have a very delicate, feminine gold bracelet to wear on your wrist since you're rolling up your sleeves. That is how you would actually style this for a first date. So if you're someone that likes a little bit more of a preppier look, then what you would wear, you could wear that red flannel shirt, the sexy black jeans still, ankle boots, gold earrings, but you may want to add a sweater. Again, if your style is more preppy, this is what you would wear. So how you would wear that is just like this. So you would wear the sweater over the shirt, you would untuck, you can see you would pull the collar up over the sweater, you would roll the sweater so you can see the cuffs of the plaid flannel shirt, and you would have the shirt untucked. And that provides a little bit more preppier look if that's what you truly like. That's how you would change the outfit and have this flavor of the outfit that fits more with your personality. Now, if you're the opposite of preppy and you're a little more, you like a little edge, what you would wear then, instead of the sweater, you can decide to swap in a motorcycle style jacket. So you can see here we have black moto style leather jacket, and you would wear that on top of the plaid flannel shirt. And how you would wear that is shown here on the screen again in this photo. So again, the shirt is untucked. You see it peeking out from the cuffs. You see the sleeves poking out a little bit. It's untucked. And again, the first couple buttons are undone. And again, it still provides that very feminine look, but with an edge. Like I said, by unbuttoning the button, showing a little bit of the collarbone is helping to add some femininity to the outfit. So if you like a little bit more edge, this is how you would style this particular outfit. We have some more variations for you. So if you're trying to drive him wild, whether this is the first date or the third date, here are some variations of wearing that red plaid flannel shirt. So again, what you're going to wear, same thing, except this time you're going to show some leg. So you're going to have that red plaid flannel shirt. You would have black shorts. I would probably tuck it in, but you could probably do like a half tuck in, or maybe wear untucked with the black shorts. And then you're going to put on a pair of black wedges super high. So the shorts plus the wedges will make your legs look days long and super sexy and drive them completely crazy on that date. Like I said, because you have the tomboy appeal because you have that red plaid flannel shirt, but you're showing all this leg, so they know you are all woman. So there's a variation of this outfit. Another way, if you're like, I don't want to quite show that much leg, or you're like, I'm a little older, I don't think I could show that much leg anymore, then the other option is a very feminine silhouette from the skirt that you select. So this particular one, you see it has a slight flare to it. It is an A-line type of skirt, and it is a midi length skirt. So midi means it hits about mid-calf. So it's between the bottom of your knee and the upper part of your ankle. So it's a midi length skirt, M-I-D-I, if you were shopping for it online. And again, it provides that feminine silhouette. You're going to wear the high heels with it. That is all feminine on the bottom half of you. And then you have, again, but you have the little edge, the little personality, the little tomboy appeal by wearing it with that red plaid flannel shirt. Okay, so you're definitely sending some mixed signals here, and you're going to drive them wild because your skirt has that movement that just catches guys' eye, and then it's showing a little bit of the feminine silhouette with the shape of the skirt. And of course, the high heels. Guys always love the high heels, right? Again, how to drive him wild. Okay, so I showed you earlier that in general on the first day you would probably want to unbutton the first couple of buttons, but if you want to be super sexy, then you would unbutton a little bit more than the first couple of buttons, and you would wear a sexy black camisole underneath. I would have one that's shown there on the screen, the one with like the lace trim up towards the top. Again, it's a little feminine touch. So you would unbutton the first few so you can see the very top of the tank top. Now, if you want to be super duper sexy and have some, you know, a little décolletage showing, then you may want to be even sexier and just wear a like black lace bra under it. Not one where your bra is completely hanging out, but it has the little hint of the bra. Or if you're talking and you lean across the table or you lean into him and laugh, you can see the little hint of the bra. So you'd unbutton the first couple buttons to achieve that look. So there's some options of what to wear on a date to completely drive him wild with that plaid flannel shirt. And as you can see, you can still be all woman and totally sexy in it. So I hope you guys take these options out and, you know, start trotting them out in your dating life. Let me know how that goes. If you love the advice in here, then you will also love the free makeover that you can get. So to claim your free makeover, just go to visit nomoreplainjane.com. Again, that's nomoreplainjane.com, and just fill in your name and email, and you can start the 7-part course to start your free makeover. Also, if you're like, this is awesome, I love red flannel shirts, or I love plaid flannel shirts, tell me more, or I am actually more tomboy, kind of pretty, and like that kind of style and that look, then I want you to check out our style series called Style Rewind. We have a whole episode where we go into the red flannel shirt. As you know, the flannel shirts were a thing of the 90s, so we do the style rewind and tell you to dust that off from your closet if you still have them, and then how to wear them. So we go more into that in that web series, Style Rewind. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know how your dating life goes, right? When you get this shirt and start styling it in the way shown here on the video. Thank you for watching.